All right, here we have number 11. You're going to solve each expression. If there's no solution, then state so. Okay, I'm just going to do A and B right now. All right, so we want the x squared to be by itself. So let's get rid of this negative 49. So we're going to add 49 to both sides. This will slash this, cancels. We have an x squared on the left is equal to 49. To get rid of the square, we square root both sides, square root, square root. This slashes, the square and the square root cancels, leaving you with just an x. The square root of 49 is 7. Don't forget, it's plus and minus when you solve. All right, so let's do B. Okay, so there's a negative 19 out here in front, so we have to add 19 first. Okay, then this is going to cancel, leaving you with just an x minus 1 squared is equal to negative 20 plus 19. This becomes a negative 1. This has no real solutions, because you can't square root a negative number. Right? So there you go. That is how you do B. Okay, I'm going to do C here. All right? So here, we have to get rid of that negative 80 first. So we're going to add 80 to both sides. This cancels. We are left with a 4x squared is equal to 100. Do you see how the 4 is in front attached by multiplication? So we're going to divide by 4 to both sides. 4 over 4 cancels, leaving you with an x squared. Then you have this equal to 25. To get the squared, to get rid of the squared, we have to square root because they're inverses. Square root, square root. The square and the power 2 cancels, leaving you with just an x. Do we know the square root of 25? Yes, it is just 5. Nope, it's plus and minus 5. All right, let's look at D here. Yes, you can't distribute. A lot of people try to distribute. You can't, because there's this exponent of 2. So let's try to get rid of this 2 here. So minus 2 to both sides. This is going to cancel, leaving you with a 2 parentheses x minus 5 squared is equal to 98. Do you see how there's a 2 in front attached via multiplication? Well, divide by 2 to both sides. This cancels. Look at what you have. X minus 5 squared is equal to, I think, let's see, 49. Okay. Now, do you see how there's this squared? So you have to square root both sides. Okay. This is going to cancel, leaving you with x minus 5 is equal to, the square root of 49 is plus and minus 7. There are two equations here. Okay, x minus 5 is equal to negative 7, and the other one is x minus 5 is equal to positive 7. Right, to get x alone, we just solve, so add 5 to both sides. This cancel, leaving you here with an x is equal to negative 2. This one, we're going to add 5 to both sides. It crosses out. We are left with an x is equal to 12. All right, so there you go. That is how you solve the equations with square roots in them.